This is Bill from Diamond Golf Cars and Power Sports. We customized a 2018 E-Z-GO L6 for the University of Maryland. Notice the custom seats with the Maryland logo embroidered, along with the accent stitching and piping on the seats. Unique feature was the cup holders installed in the second row of seats, the matching armrest, and also a cell phone holder cut into the front of each seat back, or each seat bottom. Bazooka Bluetooth soundbar, 5-panel mirror, fold-down windshield. They opted for the optional extended 116-inch roof to cover all 6 seats. The university is going to install its own graphics on the vehicle upon delivery. Check out our entire lineup at diamondgolfcars.com.